Okay, so we're gonna continue to work on this. The test horn is being printed right now. Assuming it works, we'll just go with the design. Because I don't think we need to change too much anyways. This is saved so we can insert the horn here. Okay, what is happening? Dude, Fusion is actually tripping out right now. Like, this is saved, right? Why is this 5 different versions? I don't understand. Yeah, Fusion is genuinely sometimes being annoying. Okay, why is it deriving as a body? That's not making any sense. Dude, that's so stupid. I literally, bro, like, it's literally a component here. Oh well. Better drawing on paper, am I right? Okay, so what is this? This is the this is the Coxa, so we'll go like this. Okay, and then we will have. Okay, let's see. Don't need this. So let's, assuming this works, we can. Put this in line with this. And rotate this. Dude, why is it, okay, why is it being like that? Like, bro, why is it not oriented correctly? What is, okay, what is, this should be, the blue should be like where it's, okay, finally it's working, bro. And it's not aligned correctly. Oh my. Okay, so let's edit the limit. Rest will be 270. Does this make sense? Oh well, whatever. Doesn't really matter that much. Now that we have this, we can bring in the components we need. So let's copy this and dude, like we'll join this with a rigid and we'll okay, why can I not join to this? Oh, I can. And we can rotate 90. Perfect. Okay. The little other two arms, we can just leave that for now. We don't need to worry about that too much. Let's see. Okay, let's try something. Let's do a create sketch, capture position, and from this center to this right here is 55. And from this to this point, no. From this point to this point is 27, 28. So, okay, so if we did 30, we should have enough clearance. So we did 30 here. Let's see. If we did 30, okay, so if we did 30, right, and okay, why is there an angle? I don't understand. Why is there an angle? It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I really want to fix this issue. I don't want to be dealing with this, to be honest. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. I really do not enjoy any type of angles. It's not what I like. Okay. Copy. We already have this. It's gonna make it very annoying to do what I need to. What? Hello? That's so weird, okay. I'm just gonna do all rigid joints. I do not want any. Dude, why is it doing that? Okay, just like this, and then we'll rotate this 90 degrees. Hopefully this is aligned correctly. There's a 0-degree angle. I think we should be fine. Okay, moment of truth. Is there an annoying angle? And there is. Great. Dude, seriously, why is there an angle? Don't understand. It's not making any sense to me. Okay. There's an angle here too. Like, why? Bro, whoever made this sucks at making stuff, bro. Seriously. Like, why is there an angle? Is this angle too? It's not. So it's just this piece? Dude, I suck at making stuff. Why is this angled? I don't understand. Genuinely don't understand. How can I fix this? This is pretty easily fixable, right? It should be. What is all this? That's not what I'm looking for. It's gotta be one of the... Okay, so it's not this one. It's not this one. So it's something here? Yep. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, that's why. That's real great. Why would they make this and not center it? I genuinely don't understand. Oh my gosh. Okay, at least we found the mistake and fixed it. There we go, finally. So we will just delete, paste in new. Like, why would you not start at the origin? Like, seriously. I know this is facing the wrong way, but it doesn't really matter. Hurry up, man. Finally, nice. Okay, we fixed it. Nice, nice, nice. Great sketch. Here we'll do 32. And then here we'll go 10. Don't need this anymore. Great sketch. We will need something like this. What? Okay, why is... Okay, so M3 insert. Let's just go with 1. The other model I had 2, but I really doubt this one need 2. So M3. What did I... Okay. I think I'm just tripping. I thought I saw the entire thing shift. A little bit concerning. That's not very aligned. Is this grounded? This is just a body and this is grounded? Okay, so we can just... One second. How thick is this? 16. That's gonna be coming out right here. It's gonna hit. It might hit. Oh my goodness. That's quite annoying, isn't it? Okay, well, we're probably gonna need to add one of these guys. Paste new. Oh, this is going to be quite challenging to do, but I'm sure we can do it. We're just gonna make this rigid too. 90. You know what? I should probably turn this around. This looks a little wonky. Now this is gonna be flipped. Great. So let's just delete this. Wait, no. Wait, actually, it's okay. We can just. Is it like. Okay, I'm trying to think. Would it be helpful if this is turned the other way? I don't think it would be. No, it wouldn't really do anything. Oh well. We need to flip this. Oh, that's not good. That's not what we want. Okay. Okay, so a joint with this side right here. Dude, why is it doing? Oh wait, we can just flip it. Okay, there we go. That makes. Dude, I'm actually tripping. This is not even the right one. Okay, finally, bro. Finally, it works. Okay. Now we have this and we have this. What am I even doing? Yeah, what am I doing? Oh yeah. Okay, now that we have everything working as it should, we should be able to bring back the lever arm. Where is it? And now it's backwards. Oh my god. Yeah, this might be an issue. Um, I think bringing out 5 millimeters will be good enough. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's rename this. This is the femur serval top. Okay, why is it like that? That's really strange. Okay. From here to here is 11. I thought I made this 11. It is 11, so why is it not... Okay, that doesn't look very center at all. Okay. We're gonna have to fix that. Is it the sketch? Nope, it was before that. So this sketch. 2 forward, so this sketch. Oh, no, this sketch. 5, 5. Oh no, this is not 5. Half of this is... What's that, 11? So 5.5? Okay, this should work now, I think. And I'll go like this. Okay, that makes complete sense. We have a very big issue now. This doesn't fit at all. Oh my goodness. Okay. So yeah, this is what I'm afraid of. But I think we can change this. Yeah, we definitely can. Okay, this is very doable, I think. How thick is this? We could probably make this a little bit thinner and get away with it. But right now, this does absolutely not fit at all. Um, I want this to be down for maximum clearance, obviously. So I think what we're gonna have to do is curve this down a little bit. Or just create. Wait, let me just do this. Let's go 20. Right, and then this joint here will delete this joint. Yeah, something like this will work. Obviously, we need to make it look prettier, but not right now. Not right now, guys. So, let's see. M3 inserts and actually, let's not do this right now. Let's leave this how it is. And I want to check something real quick. From here to here is 3 millimeters. I don't think we should make that too much thinner. Probably won't be too a good idea. Okay, let's leave it 3 millimeters and we can work on this side. So we need a bearing. What's the bearing size? It's I believe it's 1521. Where I can use the massive bearing. I think I'm going to. Yeah, I think I'm going to. Low key. Good idea. Okay, so it's, what is that? 8 by 22 by 7. I really like the 7. That's what I'm really aiming for. The thickness is going to give it a lot more extra. I don't know how to call it, but it'll be more secure and stable. So this will need to be 8. This is 4.5, so we need to add a 3 here. And then we'll have a M3 screw going through this. This might be excessive, but I'm sure it will be fine. Be quite chunky and quite heavy, but it's okay though. The servos I'm using are going to be quite strong, so this shouldn't be a problem at all. Let's go with 15. Actually, we don't need to go that much. Okay, so what is this bearing? 608. I don't know why it's called 608 to be honest, but Nice. And we can create a arm around this. What's the overall length so far? It's 75. That's quite thick. Let me look at my old Hexapod IK6. How thick is this guy? How chunky is this guy right here? 80. Wow, this is getting quite chunky, I'm not gonna lie at all. This is very chunky. We might need to switch to the other bearings, to be honest. This might not work. This might not work, chat. Okay, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick with 608 bearing here, and on the other joints we will switch to the thinner bearings because this joint right here will be taking most of the load of the hexapod. So I really want this joint to be a little bit stronger than the other ones. I think that's gonna be a good idea. Okay, let's go point. No, 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 no. So this should be 5. Yep. And we can do a create sketch. No, no, not a create sketch. What am I doing? Construction plane gear offset by 0.5. Perfect. And bring this back and do a sketch on this plane. Okay, we need to project this. I think we did 45 on these guys. Diameter 38. I don't remember doing. Oh yeah, it is 38. Okay. Let's go with 38 then. Extrude. Before we do this, I want to get rid of this guy. Okay, so I want to go 8 probably. Let me think. I think 7 will be good enough here. Will it be? No, that's not gonna work. We're gonna go at least like 10. No, 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 not 10. 10 overall, so 7 plus 33. Okay. And then we can go create sketch. We want to do a. So this is 22 and it's 8, so we can just go like 18, 17, 18. I think this will work. -3. And then we can do a of 3. There we go. And then we can put another cap here like we did before for the other one. This will be more than strong enough. Yep, this should be good. Bro, this could be like literally thicker than the other hexapod. Oh my goodness, it's around the same size. That's crazy. I'm sure it'll be fine. So this is, wait, that's 34? The heck? Oh, it's going from, oh my goodness, okay, I was about to say. Then how did I measure the other side to be way less than that? Okay, that makes sense. 27, yeah, we were saying we can do 30. To be safe, we can go 35, right? That should give us plenty of clearance, hopefully. Let's do... And then we'll do 10 more, so 45. I'll just go with this. I think this will be pretty nice. How do we want to do this? Let's go like this. We'll let this go right here. Click OK. This looks very awesome. And how we want to mount this is this part being on the very, very bottom. We want the greatest clearance possible. This will be a very, very nice and strong structure to build anything off of. So let's see. How do I want to create sketch? I want this, let me think. Okay, so I want the middle to be sticking out to mesh into the other thing. So I want this middle to be 20, I think. Yeah, 20. Should be pretty easy. This doesn't really matter. This just needs to be 20. And then I can just, no. Mesh these in. -10. There we go. Just like so. That looks awesome. Okay. And what we're gonna have is this side sticking up. And this, so this will be facing down. Is this 10? I think this is 10. So I actually don't want that. I want it to be probably 11. No, we can just change that. Okay, let's do 10 on one side and 11 on the other side. Yeah, this would be fine. Just to make sure, I'm gonna measure this. Okay, yeah, it's fine. It's 5. Okay. So I'm gonna have to have this facing this side to be able to make it mesh the bottom, right? And then rotate like this. Wait, how far is this? Wait, why is it not aligning? This middle. Oh, yeah, this is fine. If I just do this, yeah, this should be good. Make it 2 millimeters thicker. Seems quite excessive, to be honest. Okay, so you know what? What should I do, man? I wanted, man, let's just make it symmetrical. One more wouldn't hurt. Okay, now everything meshes up properly, which is good. Nice. Okay, so the only thing, this might actually be pretty cool because we'll have a, yeah, this will be fine. And we can even make it, oh yeah, so we can make it so it has a double spring if we want some joints to be stronger than the other, which will be nice, which will probably need double joints on the femur, especially. Yeah, this is good. We'll just make this 2 millimeters. Maybe we can even do like a shape like this, curve it, make it, or curve it here. We'll do most of the making it look pretty and stuff later. It's not very. We'll focus on that stuff later. Right now, let's take this and create body. Let's call this femur servo. This servo, I think I would be using a bit stronger servo for this joint especially, because I'm pretty sure torque is based on the like force times whatever, right? And it will be, it's proportional to the length. It doesn't scales linearly, I think. So if I do a 3 to 1, if the femur is 2, a ratio of 2 to 3 with the tibia being 3, we would need a 2 to 3 torque ratio. I think in theory that makes sense, but I'm not sure completely yet because the legs are actually bent while walking and stuff. But in theory, I think it should make sense. So let's take this servo joint and connect it up to this guy. Right? No, I don't want to do that. Let's connect this guy first. So we'll do a joint. This will be connected to this. That's already connected, so I think we're good here. Okay, I don't want to do that actually. I'm just gonna go connect this one with, these are symmetrical, I'm pretty sure, so it doesn't matter. We can go like this. Nice, and okay, how do I want to do this? So this side will connect with this right here. And we will flip and rotate by 90. Nope. Nope. I think I messed it up. Oh yeah, this joint will connect with that joint. Okay. And then this joint will connect with this point. Looks nice. Very nice. Except we need to fix this mechanism because it's looking a little wonky right now. We need to leave some space here for a spring. I'm also here for a spring. So I don't want to make it like this. It needs to be at some type of 90-degree or something, which is going to be a little annoying, and we need to somehow make it strong so it doesn't just instantly break and self-destruct. Let's go like this, and okay, so actually no, let's not do this. Let's just leave it like this for a second. Let's put this to, I think this will just go straight right here, right? Does that make sense? I think it does. This looks awesome, okay? This is very nice. I really like this. Let me think. I think this will be quite strong. Instead of doing this, we could just extend this up, which I think I'm going to do, actually. So I'll just cut this. I'll cut this. Yeah, I think extending it up will be more logical than what I'm doing right now. Yeah, that's a very nice idea. So just extend this out right here. Let's do a show body. And essentially we can just go like that. It is a lot Maybe it isn't a good idea. Because if we did this, look how long this is. Like, the femur would not be able to fold over as well. And I really want something. I want this to be performance based, so it needs to be able to do a motion like that. I think we'll just connect this like this somehow. How do I want to do this? We'll add fillets here, obviously. And I think it might be a better idea if we just somehow made this 20 instead of what we have right now. And obviously we'll add a cap here to reinforce everything. And instead of doing a threaded insert, heated insert, we're gonna be doing a lock nut this time. And instead of threaded inserts here, I think I'm just gonna have one screw going all the way through, maybe, I'm not sure yet. Okay, so for this type of thing, I really want to make sure that the... Oh no, this is not good. Because we're gonna have another one of these mechanisms here. It's gonna make it even thicker. Ooh, that's not very good, is it? Oh well, I guess it can't be helped. It's gotta be done. The things that I must go through for everything to be compliant. And this time, we're not gonna make the mistake of making the leg the actual shape. Actually, maybe we will. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we should just make the leg straight. I'm not gonna go too far with this design. I'm gonna go quite far, but I need to take a little break because I still need to see if this actually makes sense. Because I don't even know if it actually works or not, which is quite a problem. But so far, I'm really liking this design and how it's turning out. Okay, so we have this now. Still trying to figure this out, how I can make this fit. I think we're gonna end the video here and go see and once the test print finishes, I'll build more.